Hey y'all, before we jump into this video, I'm about to put y'all motherfucking on. Okay, so I'm about to put y'all onto this fashion designer, my friend. Okay, his page is gonna be right here. He designs everything handmade, custom made. I'm about to show y'all. I have something on by him right now. I'm about to really like give y'all a full look of what he made for me and the pictures he took. Period. Okay, because they was bomb and the whole experience was amazing. But if you want something custom made, or if you see anything on his page, go hit him up. Go use my code right here, Admire Marie. Tell him I sent you, and yeah, go get some stuff custom made, whatever you like, whatever you got in your motherfucking head. Okay, let him know and he gonna get you right. Period. As y'all can see, he made this corset for me. I got some thongs on by him too. I'm gonna post it right here. I just love everything that he makes. And here is the jacket he made for me as well. Full picture right here. He gets you right, okay? Period. You can also see the jeans right there as well. The experience is just amazing. Like, I love working with him. That's my friend. Period. And he gonna get you right, okay? Don't forget to let him know that I sent you. And yeah, go get some of them Prada panties too, because them is bombs. He got a spring collection coming out. I think it's already out. I'm sorry. His spring collection is already out, okay? Period. Just go hit him up. Whatever you want. Period. Let's jump into this video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Marie here, back with another video. So today's video is going to be how I grow my hair. Basically what I use to grow my hair, products, and then I'm going to show y'all how I make my hair mask, Cardi B hair mask with a twist. Okay, I'm just going to call it Marie hair mask, period. Let's get into it. Okay y'all, so let's jump into this hair mask. I got 2 bananas. I only use 1 though. Y'all can use 1 or 2. And then I got some olive oil extra virgin, okay? And then next I got is some honey. Get that honey up in there. And also I use 2 avocados. And what I use next, oh there it is, boom, some coconut oil. Make sure it's unrefined and organic. Said organic, whatever. And next I got some rosemary oil that I made. Let me know if y'all want a full tutorial on how I make my rosemary oil. Next I got is some organic eggs. I used 2 eggs. I just switched to organic eggs not too long ago, but yeah, the healthier, the better. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk the whole way through this. Y'all know I'm gonna speed it up. Okay, and then some grapeseed oil. Boom, make sure you throw that up in there. And I got some, I'll show y'all these cloves because I'm gonna pour some clove water in this hair mask like later on at the end. Let me know if y'all want to see how I make my clove water as well. But yeah, let's jump into pouring these ingredients in here. Ooh, my nails are still on, still looking cute. Let's pour these ingredients in here, blend this up, and get into it. Y'all, I slightly sliced my little finger while cutting the avocados open, okay? It was just a little pinch, but I'm okay, y'all. Let's continue the video. Okay, so I definitely forgot to add the mayo. So yeah, I'm about to do that right now, and I'm gonna blend it back up to get that smooth texture up in there, okay? And this is the clove water that I was talking about. It's actually clove and fennel seed water. That looks disgusting, but I added that up in there, and I'm about to finish blending it up. Blending it up right now. I ended up adding some distilled water in there because it was not blending. My blender sucks and it was just super thick, so it was not blending. So I just added water so it could blend well. But yeah. So this is how it should look at the end. I just used a bowl that I don't really care about, and it should come out this smooth texture, this light color, light green color, and it should not be watery. It should be like just right, like a pancake mix texture, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah. Okay, so this is the end of how you make my hair mask. And yeah, dropping a little bit. That's because the texture is giving, okay? It's supposed to be smooth and creamy. But yeah, let's jump back into me ending this. Okay, so I had to redo this whole motherfucking video, but it's okay. So the first product we are going to talk about is castor oil. I use the Jamaican mango and lime castor oil, the black one, original. So I've been using this for over 6-7 years now, and this really has helped my hair. I would suggest this over the Mayel. Not that you can really compare it because that does have rosemary in it, but I did not see a difference, and I used 2 bottles of the Mayel rosemary. So yeah, I would definitely get this black castor oil instead, and we're going to talk about rosemary in a little bit. But yeah, you can find this at pretty much any beauty supply store, or go in my Amazon storefront. That'll be in the link in the description below, and it'll be in there as well. Okay, so next what I use is coconut oil, the organic unrefined coconut oil. I use this as a pre-poo on my hair. I just started doing this 2 wash days ago, so I would definitely recommend doing a coconut oil as a pre-poo, and you would definitely see like a shine, just a difference in your hair overall. My hair, it just felt more silky, if that makes sense. Like it just felt more soft. Like yeah, my hair masks do it, but applying this and then the hair mask on top, like it really makes a difference. So I would definitely go ahead and pre-poo your hair with organic unrefined coconut oil. Let's move on to the next one. And okay, so we're about to get into like the whole rosemary situation, because y'all going to throw away that Mayel rosemary oil unless you don't want to make it, then okay. But I make my own rosemary oil, and yeah, I'm dried out. I ran out because I've been using it. But this is how you make it. You take some grapeseed oil. You take some rosemary leaves. You can get them from the grocery store or whatever. And then you heat up the oil. You place the leaves in the pot. Let it simmer, you know, get hot for like 5-6 minutes. Take it out, pour it in a glass jar, wait till it cools down, and then I usually mix it with other oils like castor oil, and then I would just put it on my scalp. I do not really put oils in my hair anymore unless it's like a week before wash day. My hair gets really oily, very fast, so I definitely don't be putting so much oil on my scalp, but everybody's hair is different. Do you? I'm just trying to put y'all on to what works better than the Mayel is to make it yourself. Easy. And it's cheaper, okay? So let's move on to the next product. Okay. Putting y'all on so y'all hair can grow. This is clove and fennel seed water. Got the cloves right here from the grocery store. I am clearly out. And then this is what the fennel seeds look like. I got them from the grocery store as well. Boil some hot water and you place these two in a glass jar, and then you pour the boiling hot water over them. You let it sit for 24 hours, overnight, whatever, and then you can apply it to your hair. I usually apply it on wash day with the conditioner in my hair, and then I apply it while I'm blow drying my hair just to get that little extra, you know, because cloves are very good for growing your hair, strengthening your hair, especially with my hair being colored. I definitely need this. This just grows your hair faster than anything to me. Cloves and rosemary, look it up, is like the key to growing your hair, period. Fennel seeds, this is the key too, but there's also fenugreek. I want to try that, and I also want to try the onion water that been going viral, that Cardi B been doing or whatever. So I do want to try that. Cloves and fennel seed and rosemary, go get it, okay? Cheap and cheaper, cheapity cheap, okay? Than all these products y'all are buying. Like these are natural, that goes in y'all hair. Like cut the Mayel, to me, cut that oil out, okay, and just start making y'all own. Y'all wonder why y'all hair not growing, is because y'all not really using what's supposed to be used in your hair, natural products. You get it? You get it? Is it clicking? But if you don't want to, if you just don't got time, then, you know, go ahead, do you, buy the products or whatever. I got time that I just need my hair to grow, and it's been growing because my hair been up here. It been up here. Now it's right here, but it been right here when I was younger. But after the glue-ins, it just took my hair out. So yeah, I've been using this for, it's been months. It's been, I would say, a good 6-7 months. Of this method, and my hair has been growing. I'm going to leave pictures right here, or at the end somewhere, so y'all can see, like, oh yeah, her hair is growing, period. But this is the end of the video. Yeah, I did talk about everything, so just go ahead and use my tips, tricks, and all of that good stuff to grow your hair. And I hope this helps y'all, men, women, girls, females, whatever you go by, if you want to grow your hair, okay? But thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
That's on my mama, yeah, that's on her hood. Don't want no problems, I wish a bitch would. Try to come between us, it won't end up good. You know what?